New England's involvement with Goldteam started probably about 5.5 years ago. We were having problems with other suppliers of a temporary workforce, and it put us back into the market of looking for an alternative supplier. We looked at a few and came across Goldteam.
The things that made them stand out was the fact that when they told us that they'd get X number of bodies to our factory for 7 AM, they did it. We genuinely got a feeling that we were a customer that mattered to Goldteam, and that came through in the service levels.
As a production manager, knowing that my team downstairs on a day-to-day basis, I've got an agency that provide them a good service, reliable service, quality of people, takes a huge weight off their minds and therefore my minds.
I'd say that they were friendly, that they're enthusiastic, that they really want to understand our business, they really want to help us achieve what we want to achieve.
Because New England Seafood work in an ever-changing market, Goldteam have to react to those changes. We need to make sure that when those changes do happen, we're able to give them the level of service that they need during the heavy times and also through the lighter times.
The thing you want from an agency is the right people coming onto the site at the right time with the right training, and that's what we get.
To be fair, they've been extremely accommodating. I mean, we try and plan as best we can, but the nature of demand profiles in chilled food with short shelf life, it can change very quickly upwards and downwards.
To have a supplier who is of that mindset and who can deal with those challenges in a swift and understanding fashion is a massive positive for us.
So Goldteam installed a system called Goldtime, which works on a biometric basis. So the temporary labour coming to site will scan in, and effectively what that gives us is real-time data.
It means ultimately that you're only paying for people once they're down onto the shop floor. So I guess from a cost control point of view, that's a massive positive. But knowing people that are on site, you've got control of that. Even from a health and safety point of view, you always know who's on site at any one time. And also from managing timeliness, sort of disciplines of the people. To have that control both from a production management point of view and a HR point of view is a massive positive and a huge step forward from where we were, let's say, 3-4 years ago.
I think having Goldteam involved has just given us a sense of control and confidence in where we're going. We're very confident that we can plan our labour and produce the products that we want to produce to the quality we want to produce, and knowing that we're compliant with all elements of the law.
I think the most important thing for any client is their labour force. It's one of their biggest expense, so they need to make sure that that expense is put in the right direction and that the service that they get from people is the service that they need for their business.
Having people I know I can work with on a day-to-day basis and always there to help out really makes a difference.